Top 6 Best Foldable Solar Panels. However, when it's time to choose the right foldable solar panels, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best foldable solar panels on the market today, so if you're interested in what foldable solar panels will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall Renogy 12-volt monocrystalline portable foldable solar panel.
In this video, we will be showing
Number 2. Runner-up Zamp Solar Portable Solar Panel Kit.
Introduction to the freedom and flexibility of solar. There is no mounting or internal wiring required. All you need to do to power your next off-grid adventure is open it, place it, and plug it in. We'll take you through the simple installation step by step. When you first unbox your kit, you'll notice the rigid carrying case. We designed the case for easy transportation and protection while your portable is in storage. Unzip the carrying case. Remove the panel and place the case back in storage. If you have a briefcase folding portable, locate the butterfly clasp near the handle and then twist to unclamp. Open the portable until both panels are flush with one another. If you purchased a regulated portable, you will find a charge controller and wire lead with 2 types of connections. The all-weather charge controller monitors your battery's charge level and regulates the energy flowing from the solar panels to the battery. It also ensures the battery will not overcharge. Pull out the tilt legs and place the panel on the ground. Next, uncoil the leads. You will notice the 2 different connection types: alligator clips and SAE. Connection option 1, using the alligator clips. Open the battery box or boxes and connect the red positive alligator clip to positive battery terminal and repeat with negative. If you have more than one battery, you'll want to charge your batteries across the entire battery bank. Follow the diagram to see how to connect your batteries. Connection option 2, using the SAE connector. If your RV is solar ready, it may have come equipped with a pre-installed solar port. This port is found in various locations on the RV, depending on the make and model. In this case, the port is located on the tongue of the RV. The SAE lead plugs directly into the factory-installed solar-ready port. Zamp Solar portable kits come in a full range of sizes and power outputs to provide the freedom and flexibility.
Number 3. Best Budget SunJack 15-watt foldable monocrystalline solar panel charger.
Panels. A 15-watt, 25-watt, and 60-watt panel. The 60-watt panel is the most powerful unit of the Backpacker series. This panel is similar in size to a laptop and weighs around 5 pounds. Our mid-size 25-watt panel is about the size of a tablet and weighs about 2 pounds. Last but not least, our 15-watt panel is the most portable and weighs just about 1 pound. All of the panels come with 2 carabiners, except for the 15-watt panel, which comes with 1. You can easily hang the panels on different points or objects, like your backpack. There is also a mesh pocket surrounding the port, so you can charge and store your devices easily. Each panel in the Backpacker series easily folds up and fits inside a backpack or small bag, making these panels the ideal choice for traveling and all your outdoor activities. The panels are also incredibly durable. Designed for off-grid use, they are weather-resistant, shock-proof, drop-proof, you name it. The secret to the panel's impressive durability lies in its well-thought-out construction, and specifically the ETFE exterior coating, which is significantly stronger than the standard PET construction used by most portable solar panels. ETFE is the ideal protective coating for solar panels for several reasons. First, ETFE provides resistance to high levels of thermal stress. In other words, these panels perform extremely well in hot and dry environments, with an average life expectancy nearly double the length of the average portable solar panel. Second, ETFE has total UV ray permeability. Translation, this allows maximum solar energy to reach the panels and the device you are charging.
Number 4. Best briefcase. Goal Zero Boulder 100 Solar Panel Briefcase.
That human potential should never be limited by lack of resources. We wanted a way to help people better their own lives. Our very first products were a simple battery, solar panel, and LED light that help people lift themselves out of difficult circumstances, providing them with the basic means to improve their lives. After seeing the impact they had on people, we wondered,
Number 5. Best for outdoors. Rockpal's 60W Foldable Solar Panel Charger.
Came across this one by Rockpals. I have a couple other things on that are made by Rockpals and have been happy with them in the past. Saw the price, it was decent comparatively, and so far this is definitely good to go. It's 250 watts, as I mentioned earlier. You have a couple AC outlets here, a couple USB ports, which is pretty much exactly what I needed. And I figured that would be good for the home. And then even when I did receive it, the fact that it's relatively portable via vehicle, it's definitely something that I could also bring out in the field with me. As I was checking out from Amazon, I saw that Rockpals also had these 60-watt solar panels. And I have, once again, other solar panels that are also portable, but they're 14-watt, 16-watt. so nowhere near the power that I can get from these. So I was pretty excited, and I figured these would make a great pair for emergency preparedness. And once again, I do spend a lot of time out in the field camping recreationally and even for work. So this is definitely something that'll come in use. I like the construction on both of these items. Very durable, very well made, very versatile. Even the solar panels here, the solar panel kit itself has all sorts of different adapters. So, once again, the versatility is there to even be able to use it with other devices as opposed to just this lithium-ion power source or power station. So I did charge this up initially via electricity, just once again to make it quicker, and it was up to 80% right off the box. So I was able to charge that up. I did use the solar panels on other battery backup devices that I had just to get a quick test. And once again, was definitely happy with the performance. The size is a little bigger than what I'm used to having in my backpack, but once again, this isn't something that I would most likely have in my backpack, but definitely something that would go out there in my vehicle, and more importantly.
Number 6. Dokio 160W Portable Foldable Solar Panel. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.